Good afternoon. 60 ago in our overnight. Yay! Malapit lang.
We are packing our things for the overnight for Sheller Villa of West Diamond.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Welcome to Robinson Supermarket Forum.
Hi, we're in Robinson Supermarket.
Laman!
I do it.
69.
Echo pa.
We are done buying the ingredients. Hello! Good morning! Here's my classmates. We're going to the villa.
Okay. Hello, everybody. We're here in Villa. We have Cast Diamond for overnight today.
It's our final season for that time. And this is the pool while we're gonna swim. Well, we're gonna swim later. Because we're gonna swim later after lunch. And we can rest as well. So, hello everybody. We're in the villa. This is our room. Look, this is our room. Here's our studio.
Classmates, are you preparing the chicken africana for our lunch?
Teacher Ina, excuse me.
Hey, we're going to eat.
Check it under.
Kami kumain yan. Bayo na kami. Hi, we are in our team building. We are Renine. Luthor! We are Red Incredible.
Ako na lang. 20 pesos.
Yo, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to our video in Ciudad Villa. Now, this time we are swimming